guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can make Windows 10 much faster. I'm going to show you some simple steps that you can follow to make your Windows run much smoother. So stick with me and let's go make that computer faster. We're going to start up by disabling our apps that run in the background every time we turn on our computer. So let's go ahead and disable those programs that make our processor boots a little slower every time we turn it on. So we go ahead and right click the start button, and we're gonna go where it says Task Manager. You should see a window like this. If you don't see it like this, let's put, for example, it shows like that, you're gonna go ahead and click more details. So your window should look like this. We're gonna go ahead and click the Startup tab, and these are the programs that start every time you start your computer. So we got it. We're gonna disable all of them. You come here and click the app you want to disable. You click right here, disable, or you can right click and click disable too. But we're gonna go ahead and click disable. Now the app is being disabled already. We click disable. All the apps you want to disable, you do it by clicking the disable button. This already disabled, so we don't have to disable it. Alright, go ahead, disable. We disable all of these apps we don't really need that are making our computer slow. So you go ahead and disable, then you click that tab and you restart your computer, and you should see some improvement when you restart your computer. We're going to disable the special effects that Windows 10 brings. As you can see, they make the experience of using your computer more fun and enjoyable, but they might also be slowing your PC down, especially if it's older or has a slow processor. So we're going to turn that function off to gain some power on your processor and more speed. We're gonna go ahead in that search bar, we're gonna click control panel. Type control panel. It should come up right there on the top of our window. Click control panel. Then we're gonna go ahead and click on system. Then on system, we're gonna go ahead and click system again. Then we are going to go to advanced system settings. We click that, and on system properties we have to make sure we are in advanced tab. Then we're going to click settings. Under performance, we click settings. Then we click the adjust for best performance. We're going to check that, and we're going to click apply. Then we click OK. That should make some improvement to our computer. Now we're going to disable the background apps. Some of our background apps which run in the background so we can receive notification and updates, but these apps constantly run in the background and make that computer slow. So let's speed up Windows by disabling this app and turning their function off. We're gonna go to settings, then we're gonna scroll down and we are gonna go to privacy. Then we're gonna scroll down right here on the left side until we find background apps. We click that. Then this are going to be our apps which are running in the background. In this case, this computer have all of them on. You can see all the apps that are on. These are going to be all your apps. Just turn off the ones you really don't need, that is unnecessary to have them running in the background. Like in this case, 3D viewer, I'll probably shut that off. You click them by turning off. There's a lot of apps that you can turn off, and this really it's gonna make a big improvement on your computer performance. Let's disable the delivery optimization off, because it's gonna eat your bandwidth, bringing down the overall performance of your PC. So let's turn this function off and let's speed up Windows. We're gonna go to settings. Then we're gonna go down to update and security. Then we're gonna scroll down and we're gonna go where it says advanced options. Then we're gonna go down where it says delivery optimization, and we're gonna turn off where it says allow downloads from other PC. We're gonna turn this function off. That way it should give more power to your computer. Now we're gonna disable the indexing, but this step only applies for all computers, not for new computers. If you have a new computer, it's not gonna make that much difference. So this is only apply if you have a very old computer or a computer that is very slow. Let's go ahead and disable the indexing. We're gonna go ahead on the search bar. You are going to write services .msc. Then you're gonna click on enter. From here, we're gonna look for Windows search. We're gonna scroll down almost all the way down till we find Windows search. Windows search. Windows search is right here. You click that, then you right click and you're gonna click where it says properties. Then in here you are going to click the stop button, and on the style type you're gonna click disable, I'm sorry. You're gonna click disable. Then you're gonna click OK. After that, you should see improvement on your computer if your computer is old or is not that powerful. Now we're gonna clean up our disk, which is a very easy steps to do. On the search bar, we're gonna type this PC. We click this PC. Then on the Windows C, we click and then we right click and we click properties, you should see a windows like this where it says disk cleanup. Click. Then from here you should clean the files that are unnecessary on your disk, like temporary internet files. You could click that. Click this too. If you have any files on the recycle bin, you could check that too. We're going to clean the temporary files, which are the ones that take more space, and in total it's going to tell you how much you are cleaning from your disk, which in this case I'm cleaning 2.74 gig. So you just click OK and wait for the process to get done. Let's go ahead and turn off the Windows tips. If you are experienced with Windows 10 and you really don't need the Windows tips, the pop-ups once in a while, I'm going to show you how to turn off this function off, and it should make our computer a little faster by turning this function off. We're going to go ahead to settings. We're going to go ahead and click on system, and we're going to go to notifications and actions. Then we're going to scroll down and we're going to turn this off where it says get tips, tricks and suggestions as you use Windows. By turning this off, you should see a little improvement on Windows 2. It should help a little bit on the performance of your computer. Let's turn off the dynamic color adaptation. This feature increases the resource usage and reduces performance of your Windows PC. That's why disabling this feature frees up resources and improves responsiveness. So let's turn this function off. We're going to go to settings. Then we're going to go to personalization. Then we're going to go and click colors. Then at the bottom, we're going to uncheck where it says choose your accent color. We're going to uncheck that. And we're going to close the windows. That should make more performance on your computer. I'm going to show you how you can defragment your hard drive to make its files more accessible. So I'm going to show you how you can defragment your hard drive so it runs much faster. We're going to go ahead and on the search bar right here, we're going to click defragment. And we're going to go ahead and click defragment and optimize drives. So right here you should see a list of your drives or whatever you have installed on your computer, which in the case of Windows C, that's going to be your main drive. This is the one you want to defragment. So make sure Windows C is clicked. Then we're going to click on optimize. When you click on optimize, just wait for a little while until the process is done, and you should see some improvement on your hard drive. This is it for this video tutorial. I hope this video tutorial helped you in any way your computer needs. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and hit that little bell so you get notified of all of my upcoming videos. So I hope to catch you on the next video. Bye.